Hello guys, welcome back to our Revit structure masterclass course. Kindly subscribe, like, share, comment and turn on the notification bell to be able to motivate me. So in today's session, we shall look at adding Rebar in Revit, and other sessions which will be continuing. So today we shall look at adding Rebar parallel to the face and adding Rebar perpendicular to the face. So using this model, let's go to our ground floor plan. We can create a section from here to here. We can crop the region. Still need to go through there. Okay, so we can open our section view. So this is our section view, so we can control its boundaries, bring out the area which we would like to deal with. So here we can, after getting a section view, we could edit our scale, and we could also edit our visual style to find these two wireframe. So we can first join these elements. We could select the join tool and modify. Join this, join to the slab edge. Also join the slab edge to this. Okay, so still if we change our visual style. So that's it for now. So now we can now be able to add reinforcement here. So when you select this column, this wall, which is a strip footing, and you come to properties palette, it has these Rebar cover settings, Rebar cover extensions, Rebar cover exterior face, Rebar cover interior face, and Rebar cover other faces. So we shall be able to edit those properties as we insert our Rebar. So still, when you come to our structure tab on Rebar, here we have the Rebar cover settings. So here are the cover settings which we could edit to fit our model. So for example, we can select cast against earth, then we duplicate, then we can call it footings. So we can change the name to footings. Okay, then we press OK. So if we select this and come back here to Rebar cover exterior, our footing, our new cover is here, has been inserted as footings. So we could still apply it on the Rebar cover interior. Could apply that one. So then we again come here, we look at the reinforcement settings. So here we could come here and edit some of the few settings we would like. So reinforcement presentations, we'd like to enable show all area reinforcement, path reinforcement, reinforcement. So that is where we can edit our reinforcement settings. So now let's add vertical bars to our foundation walls. So selecting the wall, we could come here to Rebar. On the ribbon, okay. Then you select the placement style or orientation. So you'd like to parallel to work plane. So we shall come in placement, current work plane. And here enable parallel to work plane. So you should edit both the placement planes and here to be able to draw. So when we come here and hover around, it's able to come up to the cover. So here at the top it shows where it will end. So it will end there. So we can press it After pressing it, so now our vertical rebar has been added. So you could select this rebar, then you could mirror it to the other direction. So after selecting the rebar, we could still edit its rebar set. So you could change it here to maximum spacing at a spacing, say, of, say, 800 millimeters. Enter. So selecting the rebar, you could come back and edit its view visibility stage to determine where it should appear. So in this case, we are in section 3. So we can enable it to appear in section 3, but you could disable its appearance in other sections. You could only check it where you want it to appear when you've opened the section or the elevation by editing the view visibility states on the properties palette. So again, we can now select out to be able to go back to the section. So we could come here and we change the section name to foundation detailed foundation view. So we could edit here to foundation view. Then you apply. So here the name changes from section view to foundation view. So now we can add our ties or struts. Ties in this case. So now we have changed the orientation to perpendicular to face to add the horizontal bars. So coming back to the structure tab, rebar, then the placement orientation should be perpendicular to cover to be able to add the horizontal rebar. So in this case, I would like to add it this side. It's appearing here. So you can drop down here, select the rebar size. So we could select a smaller size. Then the rebar set, could change it to maximum spacing. The spacing of here is giving us 1000. Let's give it at 150. Then we can able to add it into here. So now our rebar has been added to this side. So you could select it and you mirror it the opposite side. Pick mirror axis here. So we have inserted our horizontal rebar. It is the same shape, but with a different orientation from the vertical rebar. So now let's add rebar to our footing. So you can still select our footing in this case. Then we come to rebar. Again, we choose our placement perpendicular to cover. Then we edit the placement plane to near cover reference. So you must always edit the placement plane to be able to replace your rebar. So the rebar set, we could come and change it to fixed number. A fixed number, we could edit to 8. So when we come here, we shall insert our 8 rebar to the top, the same at the bottom. So you can opt out, then you can again select the rebar, then you can change the size to say 32 millimeter. And the same here, you change the size on the properties palette. So you can again add another rebar at our slab edge. Could add a single rebar here. So again, you could come to rebar. Placement, we choose, we're going with this one. Then we choose current work plane. Let's select, we have to choose the placement style, current work plane. Then we edit the rebar set to single. So in this case, we shall be able to add our single rebar here. So we could select it and again change its size. So now we could select all the rebar we've added. Control select. And now we can edit its view visibility states to only appear in our foundation view section. So that's how we add rebar into our project. It is just quite easy. So after the structure engineer has specified the sizes and the cover for the rebar, we could be able to come and add it into our project. So that's it for now. In our next session, we shall look at sketching rebar as we continue with this rebar section in Revit structure. So it's a bye for now.